Can we talk about it? I just want to walk and talk about it. It's my early morning walk. If you woke up this morning, smash that like button. If you got another chance to go get you some more dollars, smash that like button. You know, you got to be thankful every day. It may not be your day, but one day it's going to be your day. Smash that like button if you agree. But today's topic, I wanted to talk about the internet, the digital ID that's just been approved, and what does that mean? Because the world is distracted by what's going on in Israel and Ukraine. They're distracted. It's the stage play once again. It's the stage play, and America is doing this Ponzi scheme again. Smash that like button if you agree. This is how this is true. Now, while the world is distracted amongst these wars, right? Staged play, once again. Staged play, once again. They are changing the laws, the money system on the home front. Let's pay attention. Digital ID. Digital ID. You no longer have to have your physical ID. You can have digital ID. So now when you go on the internet, you have to log in. See, the internet used to be the Wild Wild West. The internet has just been modernized. It just has been civilized. And it just got regulated. Now you're going to have to log in. Not via Google. Not log in via like Google different accounts and stuff. No, you're going to have to log in with your ID. With your biometrics. With your fingerprint. So now they know exactly, hey, this person is surfing this website. I call it the tag and grab. Because everything is going to get tagged and it's going to lead back to you. Everything is going to get tagged. From the money, CBDC. No one's talking about that. From the identification system when you log in. Y'all remember we used to be in middle school. And they used to have different login codes. But some websites you couldn't go to on the school system. So you had to do different proxies in order to, you know, get into whatever you wanted to go to. Imagine a world like that, where everything is controlled, right? Everything is being monitored. Just look at the cities. The cities has more camera than ever before. Look at any city. New York just built another camera system because of, they call it decongestion. What? Yes, plenty of people in New York, but they're not building that for no decongestion. They're building that to track you some more. They want to know who's coming in and who's coming out their city, and it's going to be facial recognition. That's why they don't want you to tint your front window. So they can see you. They can see you coming in and out. And New York just did a $23 a day toll tax. $23 a day toll tax to travel into New York. So what you think is coming to a city near you? I've been said this was coming in my previous videos because I travel to Florida. I travel a lot. And my mom, she's in Florida. So I go down to Florida all the time to go love her up, kiss her up, and hug her up, right? And I'm going to share a personal story later on. I might do a documentary like Kirk Franklin, because I ended up meeting my mother later on in life, like when I was 23 years old. So, my biological mom. Now, I was blessed with a stepmom, and I love her, and that's my mother. I was just blessed with plenty of mothers, aunties, uncles, cousins, well-balanced. The village raised me. I am a living testimony of that. But let's get back on topic. The change is here. Now, I would also in my other videos, let's connect some dots now. I was talking about how we need to really have a border, because if you send 2,000 troops somewhere, right? This is how I know restrictions is coming. That's why the internet and everything else will be restricted as well. If you send 2,000 troops to go attack someone, you don't think strategic advantage, they're going to send 2,000 people or more to come on our home front, knowing that the border wide open and Biden ain't building nothing? It's wide open. So whoever's coming to America, they coming. But this is a direct effect of who's coming to take your jobs. You don't want to work, you want to be lazy? Your replacement is already here. AI, machinery, and immigrants and migrants. They're already here. Your replacement is already here. So your home front has already been invaded. That's a war too. When they come and take your jobs, that's a war. It's called class war. There's all kinds of war here. It's called class war. So now that you have to do your digital ID and everything else, they're going to track everything you do, like I say. It's no more getting away with sending money here and sending money there. No. Look at the state laws now. If you have a 1099, every $600 transaction must be logged. So they're changing the laws and letting you know exactly what's to come. Smash that like button if you agree. I just want to know if the people seeing what I'm saying or understanding what's going on, because you are being distracted. Once again, you're being distracted by this Jada stuff and Will. Mind your business. Mind your business. Go get you some money. Because they getting them some money regardless. You want to know why? They been talked about. Nobody talking about you. Therefore, it ain't no attention on you. Therefore, it ain't no money around you. Just that simple. On that note, pay attention to that digital ID, that CBDC. You already know about the China already making their digital yuan. China also is backdooring the United States. They no longer really doing business with the United States like that. They taking their money elsewhere. It's called the BRIC Nation. I'm going to do a video on that and what that means and how that threatens your money and your value system. Because people are beginning to say, hey, we no longer need America, the middleman. We can do it on our own. So that's what's happening around the world, just giving you a global update of what's going on. But digital IDs are here. CBDCs are here. They're changing the ledger, the banking system. Look at all these banks crashing, from JP Morgan's to Bank of America to all the big boys. It's done. The internet has crushed everything once again. It's done. AI is here. It has crushed. Artificial intelligence has crushed everything. It is done. I even use it. I use it and cut down my labor costs. So what does that tell you? You have to learn how to use it's called machine learning for a reason. Learn how to use the machine. On that note, peace, love, blessings. Positivity over negativity. I'm breathing in this good air. Let's do this exercise real quick. Stop what you're doing, because sometimes you need a moment of silence to just take everything in. We're going to breathe real quick 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. The power's in 3s. Inhale. Exhale. On that note, positivity over negativity, peace and blessings and love.